These bulls have been crossing rivers their whole lives. They do not know this is the last one.
They do not know their horns have already been assigned a production batch number. They do not know their hide has already been graded. In 4 weeks, a woman in Milan will pay $4,000 for what is standing in this field right now.
She will never think about this morning. Tell her my mixer ratio is off 10, grains pooling at the left end of the trough. We need to redistribute it before the afternoon run.
The Watermatic float valve on number 3 is sticking. Flush it before we push the next group through.
Easy, don't rush them. Get around that one. Good clean cut. Hold it steady, don't pull.
Clean separation at the skull base, sheath walls intact all the way to the tip. This pair will run longer than 30 centimeters once we measure its intake. Dock's ready, bring it in, check the manifest, tag each unit. Soak batch loaded in single layer, no stacking. Seal the door and bring it to 82 degrees, and we need 40 minutes at pressure.
The mechanical systems take over, relentlessly processing the horns. The factory workers remain highly focused and clinical. The Brahman bullhead sits centered between the 2 mount points. I pencil the outline first before the rotary touches the surface.
The belly section is thinner than the back panel, so keep the feed rate slow through that zone. Neck cut edge is clean, no...
The milk of lime solution is sitting at pH 12.4, and the drum has been cycling for 6 hours.
Chromium uptake is binding through the full thickness by hour 8. The drum pH tells you where the front is. Drop the basifying agent slowly over the next 2 hours to fix the chrome.
1.3 at the flank, 1.3 at the shoulder, 1.3 at the belly. Shaving machine calibration is holding perfectly flat across the full panel width on this Brahman hide.
Collar socket depth is machined to the handle end taper, so there is no play when the horn seats. Press it fully home until you feel the shoulder contact, then rotate it to lock.
Clues. Toggle clasp seating is solid. Horn tip is fully captured through the full rotation of the locking action. Base seam stitch count is 6 per centimeter.
Here, the raw becomes refined. Polished horn, now the centerpiece of exquisite design.
The bull never made it across that river.
But everything he carried did. The horns are on someone's arm now. The hide is the bag they're sitting inside. And somewhere in a field that looks exactly like this one,
Another herd is crossing. They do not know either.